Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy with the Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Guys, I'm sending a big shout out for my friend. She's one of my subscribers. She's not a YouTuber. Deborah Godson that sent me her work. Oh guys, it's amazing, so beautiful. Her dining area is so cozy and I love the way she fold her napkin compared to the original one, and the picture doesn't do it justice because I have to zoom it out too much. Guys, my email is in the description box down below. Feel free to send me pictures, short videos, everything that you have. I'll post it in my video, guys. People need to see your beautiful creation. Okay guys, don't forget to give Deborah a big thumbs up. All over my home, I have YITAHOME products because they are so affordable and good for small or big place. And as you can see, I don't have to fight and then to do anything because everything is well labeled, so it's easy for me to put them together, as you can see. Okay guys, this is the process how I'm putting it together, and so nice. I choose this color because I'm going to put it in my son's bedroom, but guys, there are a variety of styles of color if you want something for your entryway, your bedroom, everywhere that you prefer. So head up to their website and you can see and look around to shop whatever you like. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. Feel free to check it out. And guys, it's so easy to put together. As you can see, it's a decent quality for the price compared to other company, and this particular dresser is less than $100. So if you're on a budget, you don't want to spend too much money, you can go ahead and check it at home. The link will be in the description box. And you don't need other tools because they always send everything that you need. If you're putting your stuff together by yourself or anybody can help you with it, you don't need to buy any other tools. Stay in the promised land where all the things you want to feel you are. Chase that morning, close your eyes. You wanna wake up where there's no goodbyes, and all your numbered days return to one. So I'll just stop and say what you will say. Okay guys, I'm done putting it together, so let's decorate the entryway and keep on watching. Guys, I have this gallery vase. Not only this one, I have plenty of stuff that I never use. I just have them sit there because I don't want to remove them from the packages, because when I'm moving it will be easier for me. I didn't want to do double work, but today I just feel like using it because it's been sitting there for a long time. I just want to use it, and afterwards I'm gonna put it back in the box for when I move it. Guys, I got these flowers from Walmart, and guys, if you need nice flowers on budget, this one is the best option because they were like $5 a piece, and I think I have 6 of them, 6 or 5. Yes, it's very convenient because if you buy them at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, there will be more money, and the quality is good. So check your local Walmart if you need like nice flowers. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you, and keep on watching. I pick up this vase from Facebook Marketplace and I spray paint it black. I like to keep my home neutral for holiday season. And I can do some videos just to post on my YouTube channel, but the main color I always keep for fall or Christmas is neutral color. Okay guys, and I had this one previous but I just changed the vase and keep the pampa grass. Okay guys, this is what I have so far. It's pretty simple, and I'm going to add couple things, so let me know down below, what do you think? Which one you like better, if you like it with all the stuff or with the simple look? Either way guys, let me know down below. Okay, you guys know I always moving, always change my things, so the dressers are going to be here for a long time. I just want to change the look for a while, but the permanent home gonna be in my son's bedroom. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur la chaîne moi. Si c'est la première fois, moi je te bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Dans la vidéo, ça va montrer nous qui j'aime décorer entre en salle d'entrée pour le monde entrer dans le canal pour capable voir, il est vraiment belle parce que c'est là qui c'est leur premier métier P.O. Et guys, si nous aimez vidéo, s'il vous plaît, pas oublier ballon like, et puis si nous pouvez abonner, s'il vous plaît, faites ça. Et si c'est la première fois, tout le monde dit merci un peu pour le support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder la vidéo.
Give it time, put it under pressure, hold it to the fire, a diamond in disguise, meant to shine.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager, guys. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir comment je décore la porte d'entrée de Entryway. Pour l'automne, j'aime vraiment décorer ma maison. Si vous aimez, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire, aimer et partager. Et à tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime.
Something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure, hold it to the fire, a diamond in disguise, meant to shine. Meant to shine.
Okay guys, don't forget to send me the pictures, and my email will be in the description box down below. And go ahead and check YITAHOME and make sure to send me the pictures if you want me to give you a big shout out. And I think that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.